starting off the top here, I would say probably most of you may have already noticed this, but we'll definitely run through it. It's definitely a time saver, the ability to reposition line items within either a quote or an order by dragging and dropping them. So it's really useful when you're trying to, for example, move a line item down from the bottom of the order to, let's say, the top. Previously, moving a line item required positioning that line item one position at a time. So if you could imagine, if you had a 30 line item order, to get an item from the bottom to the top was pretty time consuming. So let's run through what that looks like now with the drag and drop feature. I'll go ahead and open up my business hub here. And hopefully I've got a test order with a few line items in it. So let's take a look at this one with a high order value. Well, it's got just one line item, but what we'll do is we'll copy that line item a couple times to give ourselves some positions to move through. And I'll just go in and change some of these colors so that we can differentiate between each of the line items. So again, the old option is still here, and you'll find that under the Actions button next to the far right-hand side of each line item. If you click on that Actions button, you still have the old move up and move down options, which if we, let's say, move the line item 1, the yellow colored shirt, down to the bottom, we can see it takes a few clicks, 3 clicks to get it all the way down to the bottom. Whereas using the new drag handle, which is this little icon here on the far right-hand side to the right of the Actions button, I can now quickly click that section, hold my mouse, and then drag that up to the top. You see that blue line denotes where the line item is going to drop into. So I can place that blue line all the way at the top and then let go of the mouse to drop it exactly in that position. So again, it's a big time saver, especially if you're usually working with larger quotes and orders. This is really going to help to streamline that process of resorting line items. And it comes handy. I know a lot of people use the divider option to also differentiate, between different pricing options for your customer. So, things like the divider can also be dragged up and down. So, really, just overall a great way to save some time when you and your team are creating those quotes and orders.